Did you know that cars didn't have to include seatbelts until 1968? Or that airbags weren't required until 1998? Crazy, right? Engineers have made cars safer over the years by testing them again and again with crash test dummies. Hi everyone, I'm Kyrie. It's your turn to save the crash test dummy. This week, your challenge is to design and build a vehicle that keeps your crash test dummy safe in a crash. But there's a twist. You must use the items from this box to complete your design. The 3 mystery items are a bottle cap, a paper clip, and a rubber band. As always, let's start with our rules. All 3 mystery box items must play an important and functional part in your design. Just a reminder, there are a bottle cap, a paper clip, and a rubber band. You may modify these items in any way to make them more useful. You can build any kind of moving vehicle, a car, a rocket, a plane, whatever. Your crash test dummy can be homemade, but it has to break if it's unprotected. A plastic egg filled with rocks, that works. Don't forget, your goal is for the dummy to survive the crash even if your vehicle doesn't. Don't just add safety features to a toy car. You have to build your own vehicle. Don't get frustrated if your dummy doesn't survive the first crash. Keep tweaking your design until he's nice and safe. Don't add anything to your dummy to make it safer. The safety features must be added to your vehicle. You can't just stick the mystery box items to your vehicle. They must actually do something important. When you're done, push the limits of your vehicle, try crashing it at faster speeds or tougher angles. At what point is your dummy no longer safe? And now for a few tips to avoid angry adults. Clean up your crash scene. Don't leave any evidence of your vehicle or passenger behind. Ask for permission before using supplies. Pick a safe spot to launch your crashes. Don't use a real egg as your crash test dummy without asking, especially with the price of eggs right now. Don't use a dummy that will become dangerous if it breaks. Don't crash into windows, walls, or anything unsafe. And please, don't use your siblings or pets as crash dummies. Seriously, do we even have to say that? Create a short video showing your crash test and submit it to our website by Saturday, July 27th at 9 p.m. Then be sure to come back on Monday and Tuesday to see everyone's solutions and votes for your favorites.
Everyone who enters earns a point. Plus, there are lots of bonus points you can earn too. Check the website for more info. We can't wait to see your creations. Let the inventing and the crashing begin!